So we're here with LG to check out the brand new LG Gram 2-in-1 laptop. Let's see what it has for us. As the name suggests, this is both a laptop and a tablet. One of the big deals here is that since it is a Gram laptop, it is super light. It weighs just 3.8 pounds. It's under half an inch thick, super thin, but you're not gonna lose any ports. You see, you have your USBs right here, and then my personal favorites, some USB-A ports for legacy devices. You know, that's one of my problems with thin laptops. Sometimes they only have 2 USB-C ports, and that's the end of the day. This has everything. HDMI, you can plug this into your monitors, and also you can see here, big touchpad. I'm a mechanical keyboard guy, obviously, but you know, these feel really good. Despite the fact that it's so thin, it feels very durable. The hinge is nice and sturdy. It just feels very tough to hold. Like I'm trying to bend it right now. No flex whatsoever. The LG Gram Pro 2-in-1 features an Intel Core Ultra 7 Meteor Lake processor with Intel Arc graphics. It has up to 32 gigs of RAM, up to 2 terabytes of NVMe SSD storage, and comes packaged with Windows 11 Home. The LG Gram Pro features a 16-inch display, but what's cool about it is that you have 2 options. One is a 1600 IPS display, or the one I would pick, 1800p OLED touch display. The fact that it's a 2-in-1, you could just enjoy this as a pure tablet. And also I should say that the actual touch functionality is snappy. Every time I touch it, no delays at all. And also, if you're wondering, even though I'm touching the keys right here, nothing registers because I'm on this mode, which is a good touch as well. This is a laptop I would like to travel with just because you can just slip it into your bag. You don't need to worry about it. It's not going to add too much weight. One of the dangers is you may forget that you even have the laptop, so you got to be careful with that. You know, obviously I need to, you know, really dig into this, but so far I'm really liking the overall build. I will say, even though I kind of don't like using these kind of devices as tablets because they're kind of cumbersome, this is like super light. It just really feels like a better version of Samsung's thin laptops. I like you, Samsung, don't get me wrong, but this just feels a lot sturdier. That's what I think, but I want to know what you guys have to say. Please let me know in the comments below. And for more of our coverage here at Tom's Guide, make sure you go to tomsguide.com and also follow us on socials at Tom's Guide. Once again, I was Tony Polanco, and I'll see you next time. Later.